Hey guys, here are the answers to the practice for A.3C, and we're going to do a lot of the problems like we did in the slideshow video. There's two I want to take off because they are difficult and the questions won't be that hard on the STAR test, on the unit test. But we can do number one. So number one says, what are the x and y intercepts of the function graph below? So in our video, we know that the y-intercept crosses the y-axis. And so when x is 0, this looks like it would be about 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So 3.5. So we know the y-intercept is 0, 3.5. So I'm going to look for that here. And I see it here, so I can mark these two off. For x, that is where it crosses the x-axis, and that is right here, and it looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X is 7 and y is 0. And it is also a negative. So our answer is A, because this one has it the wrong way. Number two, it says, what are the x and y intercepts of this function? Okay, we need to set x and y to 0 and solve for the other. So if we have 2x minus 3y equals 12, and I set y to 0, that would give me 2x minus 3 times 0 equals 12. So that goes away. We have 2x equals 12 divided by 2, x is 6. So we know it can be this one or this one, because the x-intercept is going to be 6 and 0. Mark that one off and that one off. So now we just need to figure out y. So let's write the equation again. We have 2x minus 3y equals 12. I'm going to set x to 0. 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 12. So that goes away. We have negative 3y equals 12. And I'm going to divide by negative 3 on both sides to get y positive. And that will mean that 12 divided by negative 3 gives me a negative 4. So our y-intercept is when x is 0, y is negative 4, and there's your answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. So skip 2 and 3, skip 3 and 4. Number 5, Nevaeh has a $25 gift card from the local coffee shop. The table below shows the balance B. This is her balance on her gift card after whatever number lattes. What is the meaning of the x-intercept? Okay, well, we can see when x is 10, she has no money on her card. So let's look at our answers. Nevaeh's card is depleted after 10 lattes. That looks awesome. Nevaeh has $25 on her gift card. Yeah, when she has no coffees, she has $25. And each latte is $2.50. Yeah, we know that. We know that. And Nevaeh has no money left on her card after 25 lattes. This one's not even right. Well, these all make sense, but it's asking what is the meaning of the x-intercept? And the meaning of the x-intercept is Nevaeh's card is depleted after 10 lattes. Your answer is A. Let's look at the next one. And it's talking about, let's see, consider the equation of the line with an x-intercept of 2 and a y-intercept of 3. Okay, so if the x-intercept is 2 and 0, and the y-intercept is 0 and 3, how would the slope of the line change if the x-intercept was changed to 3? Well, I know I have these 2 points. So you can either use graph paper or a calculator, and let's solve for this. So let's put these 2 points in the calculator. Second plus 712. Let's clear that out. Hit stat, enter, and let's put 2 and 0 and go up and over, and let's put 0 and 3. Hit stat, tab, 4, enter all the way, and we know that our original slope is negative 1/2. So we know it's negative 1/2, and they're all negative slopes. Negative, 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 all negative. But we need to figure out what these numbers are. So 2 divided by 3 gives me 0.66, and 3 divided by 2 gives me 1/2, and we know it's negative 1/2. So we can mark these off because they don't make any sense. They don't work. We know the original slope, and they want to know what would the slope be if the line changed. What would be the slope of the line if the x-intercept were to change to 3? So now we have a new table. We still have 0 and 3 for the y-intercept, but they want to know what the x-intercept was changed to 3 and 0. So let's hit stat, enter, and let's put that number in. So 3 and 0 and 0 and 3. And we can see that it changed from negative 3/2 to negative 1. So your answer is J. This one, number 7, what are the x and y intercepts of the function according to the data in the table? Well, we can see the y-intercept is right here because x is 0, y is 3. So that's not it, and that's not it. Wait a minute, sorry. This is not it. So the y-intercept works. So I'm going to put this table in the calculator, and I'm going to find the x-intercept by doing stat, edit. I'm going to put in -6, 0, and 3, and I'm going to go up and over, and I'm going to put -1, 3, and 5. I'm going to hit stat, tab 4, enter, and I'm going to hit, well, I don't need to see that. I'm going to hit second table. I must have put something in wrong. Stat, edit. So we have a -6, a 0, and a 3. We have a -1, a 3, and a 5. I'm going to hit second plus 712 because that didn't come out right. Stat, enter, -6, 0, 3, up, over, -1, 3, and 5. Stat, enter. Okay, second table. Still giving me the same thing. There's nothing here. Let's see. Okay, there's something here on my calculator. Let's see. Well, I'm going to pull up stat. Tab 4, enter. So I know that the slope is 0.66 and the y-intercept is 3. So I'm going to put these two in the table and see which one gives me that. Stat, edit. And let's see if this works. So we have negative 4.5, enter. And I'm going to put 0, enter. And I'm going to put 0, enter. And 3. Stat, tab 4. And this is the answer because it matches. I should have did it this way anyway. Put this table in, get your slope and y-intercept, and put the points in on your answers and get the slope and y-intercept. Then you'll get the same one. Okay, number 8, determine the y-intercept of this line. So I'm going to rewrite it here. Negative 8, 11x, 11x minus 8y equals 22. So I need to move the x over here. So minus 11x minus 11x. So now I have negative 8y equals 22 minus 11x. Now I need to divide by 8. And I'm going to get divide by negative 8 so we can get rid of the negative y. So y equals negative 22 over 8. Negative divided by a negative is a positive 11 over 8x. So our y-intercept is this number. It can be reduced to, by 2's 11 over 4. That's your answer. Number 9, what is the x-intercept of this function? Well, when y is 0, that number would be your x-intercept. So when x is 0, it's not going to work. Now we just need to see which one it is. So if we have 7 divided by 3, we get 2.33. And we have 2.33. When we have 7 divided by 2, we get 3.5. And we can see that this is at 1, 2, a little after 2. So we know it's 7 divided by 3, 7/3. Last one, let's see if we can finish this out. What will happen to the slope of the line in the graph if the x-intercept remains the same and the y-intercept changes to 3? What will happen to the slope of the line in the graph if the x-intercept, which is here, remains the same? Okay, I see. And the y-intercept changes to positive 3. So it's a negative 3. If this moves up to here, 1, 2, 3, we can see the line will change to this. And that tells us the slope will change from a positive slope to a negative slope. And that's it, guys. Please grade your papers. Take off 5 points for each incorrect answer. Hopefully you did very well. And remember, don't take anything off for 3 or 4. That's it for the 8.3C practice. Thank you for watching.